Thank you have been landing in me channel. Enjoy the video till end. Hit also subscribe button. Thank you. Eggplant flour idea. Prepare fresh eggplant. Remove both side end of eggplant. Sliced lengthwise in half. Slice thinly without breaking at one end, then cut it every 3 thin slices. Each outer wedge bend the ends inwards. Repeat that step. Make several slices to make flower petals. Place the petals in a circle formation. Put cherry in the middle. Take another eggplant, make stems and leaves design. Place stems and leaves at the formation. Add base from eggplant sliced. You can also add grass carve. Thank you for watching till the end. Hopefully you get new experience from this video. Please hit subscribe Dan like button to get next notification from my video. Thank you.